When Beth Humphrey agreed to walk down the aisle with Terrence McKay, she had no idea that they would be walking straight into a national controversy that would even get the attention of the President of the United States. The couple says it all started with a phone call to the local justice of the peace in their Louisiana town, Keith Bardwell. His wife, speaking on his behalf, had a few questions. One, what color are you?
We were supposed to be beyond that.
Their answer, white and black. Her answer, go somewhere else.
I wasn't going to argue with her. I just said, okay, so do you know someone who will?
The justice isn't talking on camera, but he told the Associated Press, quote, I'm not a racist. I just don't believe in mixing the races that way. He went on to explain he worries about what would happen if the couple had children, saying, quote, I think those children suffer, and I can't help put them through it.
I mean, it's kind of hard to argue with somebody who has that frame of mind, because you don't know if you're necessarily going to be able to show them any different. But all I can say is that we're going to love our kids.
Yeah, that's all we can do.
A spokesman for President Barack Obama was asked for his response. He said he's found children of biracial couples can do pretty well, a reference to the president, himself the child of a white mother and a black father. State officials are calling for Bardwell to resign, and civil rights groups are calling for an investigation.
Apparently he's been denying the rights of people to marry for many, many years, totally in violation of the law and therefore of his obligation as a judge. It's an appalling violation of the rights of people to marry the person they choose to marry.
It wasn't until 1967 that interracial couples in the United States were granted the right to marry by the Supreme Court. Still, the Louisiana Attorney General says Bardwell may not have broken any laws. Because justices of the peace can marry people, it doesn't mean they have to. The couple says they may take the case to court to find out if that's true. Patty Culhane, Al Jazeera, Washington.